taking a look at the weather right now. We're going to see if we're going to go ride or not. Let's see, where is the radar? Radar and maps. Oh, is that rain or is that? Testing out the mic and the voice commands systems. Nobody's really going to see this but me. Morning walkers are out. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. Tomorrow's going to be a beautiful day, so we'll get a real good test tomorrow. GoPro, stop recording. Well, this has just been a teaser. I hope you enjoyed this little short clip. It was just out testing the new GoPro Hero 8 Black. That's a lot to say, you know that? Anyways, we'll be going out on the road. It's going to rain, so I decided I'm going to put the bike up, not do a long ride. Didn't have anything planned anyways, but I did want to test the camera. And I got my helmet cam all set up again. And so anyways, everybody out there, you have a blessed day. Hippie Biker Jesus Freak loves you all. Make sure you come back. If you enjoy my videos, please hit like. Please make comments below. I need suggestions. I need your help. And anyways, also don't forget to subscribe. Hippie Biker Jesus Freak, God bless you all.